In this episode, we explore wild and ridiculous solutions to common problems. Repurposing broken furniture in hilarious ways can lead to unexpected outcomes. Sometimes the quest for a quick fix takes a thrilling turn. Even the chaotic solutions can bring a smile when they fail. Unconventional eating methods often lead to messy but amusing results. Trying to eat cereal with office supplies is a recipe for disaster. When technology fails, nature may offer surprising aids. The true test of functionality. How many times can you drop it? Stay tuned for more outlandish solutions that challenge common sense. Embracing humor in life's little failures keeps us entertained.
Now, if you've been looking for a video idea for you to generate content, then creating funny videos is one of the best ideas that you can never go wrong on. So this is one of the niche that attracts a lot of viewers and you can make even money out of it. Now, in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can do exactly that, creating funny videos but using AI. Now, the good thing is with AI, you can do almost anything. And with AI, you can do it very fast and very quickly and produce a lot of videos, a lot of funny videos that you can then proceed and upload on TikTok, Facebook, or even YouTube. So if you like this video, I'll kindly request that you support me by just hitting the like button and also by subscribing to this channel. It really helps me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to do this, we are going to use only 2 tools. And the good thing is they are readily available for you for free. And the first tool is ChatGPT. Now we are going to use ChatGPT to help us with funny video ideas, and then we shall use another tool to generate these videos. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, write for me 3 funny video ideas, and ChatGPT will go ahead and do exactly that. So you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is to ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will go ahead and do exactly the same. And now here ChatGPT has just done exactly that. Look at these 3 ideas. They are stunning. In the first idea, AI tries to live a normal human day. And then the next funny story is on asking strangers ridiculous specific questions. Look at that. And then we also have the third one, DIY life hacks that makes your life worse. Wow. You can choose any of these topics and then now ask ChatGPT to write for us a hilarious and an interesting funny story. For instance, I'm interested with the third one, DIY life hacks that makes your life worse. I think this will make a very funny story. And as you can see, the premise, present completely unhelpful but hilarious life hacks with full confidence. Wow, look at that. And you have been given example of the same. Here we have 2 examples. So with these ideas now, we can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write for us a short script of the same. So I'll ask ChatGPT, now write for me a short funny script for the idea number 3. And ChatGPT will go ahead and do the same. You can see it remembers the heading and it has gone ahead and made it in scenes. Look, from scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. So that is so great. We have a script ready. Now that we have our script ready, we can now proceed to the next AI tool that will help us convert this script into a video. And for that, we are going to use a tool called Short AI. Short AI, just like that. It will take you to this website, short.ai. And this is the website that does the magic. This website will go ahead and create for you any short video that you so wish. And it does it in a matter of seconds. And it is a very unique and interesting website that you can go out and try. So we are going to use this short.ai. So with this, you can create AI story video. We can create even Reddit story. We can create fake text, dialogue videos, and just the list goes on and on. And it auto-generates subtitles. And also it provides scheduling option for YouTube and also TikTok posts. So as you can see here, you can start creating for free. So if you go ahead and tap on start creating for free, or you can as well, if you have account, you can just tap on go to dashboard here, and then you'll be logged in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So you go ahead and create a free account and then you'll get to this dashboard. So from this interface, you can see we can now create here faceless videos, and funny videos that we want to create are faceless videos. And you have here popular templates that you can use for you to create your story. So for our AI story, we are going to choose this option called AI story video. So if we tap on this, it will take us to this page where we can now paste in our prompt and then create our story. Remember, we already have our script And now the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and copy the script. Your script should not exceed 1000 characters per minute of video. So from here, you can now proceed and copy your text and then come paste it here like that. We have 969 characters. Now from here, you can now proceed and generate your story. However, this process is the longest. I'll show you after this. I'll show you another method you can use from this tool to generate your video faster. So once your story is inserted here, now proceed and tap on next. And from here, choose the background style that you so wish to use. For instance, we have the Ghibli style, we have the watercolor style, and there are too many. We even have the Disney style here that you can also use. We also have the oil painting here. So I'll try it out. So I'll choose the Pixlr style here. And then you need to go ahead and choose the aspect ratio. Which format do you want your video to be? So if you're creating mobile-based videos, make sure you choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. We also have square format video, and we have the landscape video, which is 16:9. So for mobile-based short videos, choose the best option, which is 16:9, and then proceed and tap on next like that. And now we have subtitles here. Go ahead and select the style you want your subtitles to appear. For my case, I'll choose this and then tap on proceed. As you can see, this is number 3 of the 4 steps we have to make. So I'll choose on next and we should be almost finishing. Now from here, we shall have to choose our narrator because we need a voice behind the script. So we have quite a number of voices here that you can choose from. If I sample through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
And here we have a calm.
Hot diggity dog! This looks like fun! Don't miss even one adventure with
So I'll choose Michael Mouse. I'll just tap on it like that and I'm done. Now choose if you want to add music. If you want to add music, you can also go ahead and turn on background music here. And then this will go ahead and allow you to choose any music that you so wish. From here, now you can proceed and tap on generate. For my case, I'll turn off music. I don't want to use music. So I'll go ahead and tap on generate. And now this tool should be able to generate our video. So I'll just tap on generate the video. And now this will proceed and generate the video. And you can see the video processing has begun. Now the generation of video will just take 1 or 2 minutes and it should be done. And here our video is done. So don't worry about accessing this tool. I'll leave the link to this tool down below. So you only need to go to the description section and then you'll find the link to this AI tool and start your creation. Now our generation is done. It's time to go ahead and listen into it. So I'll first go ahead and increase the volume like that. And now let's go ahead and listen in.
In this episode, we explore wild and ridiculous solutions to common problems. Repurposing broken furniture in hilarious ways can lead to unexpected outcomes. Sometimes the quest for a quick fix takes a thrilling turn. Even the chaotic solutions can bring a smile when they fail. Unconventional eating methods often lead to messy but amusing results. Trying to eat cereal with office supplies is a recipe for disaster. When technology fails, nature may offer surprising aids. The true test of functionality. How many times can you drop it? Stay tuned for more outlandish solutions that challenge common sense. Embracing humor in life's little failures keeps us entertained. In this episode, we explore wild and ridiculous solutions to common problems.
Wow, look at that. That is just one example. The images that were automatically added, they perfectly match the scenario and they make it even much funnier. So that is one way of doing it using your script. But let me show you another way of doing it much faster and better. And that is using automated tools. Now for that, just tap on back. I'll go back and then come back here. Now, the easiest and the best way to achieve this is to use AI tools from this website. So for this, you do not need to go ahead and look for ChatGPT creations. This tool can still create for you a script automatically. So if I go ahead again and tap on AI story video, and now here, instead of us inputting our story, we can as well go ahead and use this option called AI script. If I tap on AI script, this tool will go ahead and give us various topics that you can use. And among these topics, you can see we have interesting history, we have long form jokes, we have bedtime stories, scary stories, life pro tips, just so many motivational, fun facts, even urban legend stories, among so many others. So we are interested in these long form jokes. This gives us long form jokes tell humor stories with the rich details and character development. Now this one, it does it automatically. So instead of going to look for your own script, just go ahead and tap on long form jokes here and get it. Now at this point, you have to choose the language. You can select English or leave it as it is, and then you can either add a hook if you so wish, and you can also add a CTA, that is a call to action. For instance, you can say please subscribe, and that will be added to your video. And now you have also to go ahead and choose the length of the script. So how long do you want your script to go? We have options to choose between 30 to 60 seconds, 60 seconds to 90 seconds, as well as between 90 seconds and 120 seconds. So for this case, I'm going to leave it at between 60 and 90 seconds. I don't want to make it too long, and also I don't want to make it too short. So I'll go ahead and tap on generate script. And this tool will go ahead and automatically generate for you a script that fits that time frame. As you can see, I have here a script of 1215 words. If you didn't add a call to action, you can still go ahead and add it here. And then you can also add a starting hook if you so wish. So for my case, I just leave it as it is. I think it's okay, and you can go ahead and read between. Now that we have our script already, let's go ahead and tap on next to proceed. And again, here we have the option to go ahead and choose the background style. So let me go ahead and try Ghibli style, and then tap on next. Then on the subtitle template, I'll choose this, and then proceed on next. And we have quite a number of voices that you can choose from.
Leave me alone! He walks around the town torturing.
I think this Timmy is the best for me. And now let's go ahead and choose music background. For this, let's add music background. So I'll also sample through music. I think I'll go with Snap. I'll select it. And before you apply the music, you can go ahead and adjust the volume. You can see we have music volume here. So you can make it much louder. Make sure you don't make it much louder, because if you do so, it will overshadow the voice. So just retain it. You can retain it to 5. And now go to the final step, which is to generate. So if I go ahead and tap on generate, the process has begun now. And look at that, our creation is done. Now let's listen into this.
In a town where clocks ticked backward, Oliver stumbled into a time machine shaped like a giant rubber duck. In a town where clocks ticked backward, Oliver stumbled into a time machine shaped like a giant rubber duck. Turning a knob labeled Quirk Mode, he was whisked away to a 17th century sweatshop. To his surprise, all the workers were sewing dresses for ants, shouting, "Fashion must be tiny." Confused yet entertained, Oliver asked the supervisor, an overly serious man in a monocle, "Why ants?" The supervisor replied, "Because they carry their weight in fashion." With a puzzled laugh, Oliver spun the knob again and arrived at 3024, where everyone wore shoes on their hands. A local explained, "It keeps our feet fresh for dancing." Oliver chuckled, but wondered how they danced in the first place. Determined to return home, he turned the knob one last time, landing back where he started. He proudly declared his journey, only to be interrupted by a rubber duck float race in progress. As he watched, he realized that winning wasn't about speed. It was about style. "Next year," he whispered, "the ants will win." And indeed they did, thanks to Oliver's tiny extravagance of the year before. The townsfolk laughed, concluding that time travel might be nonsensical, but so is fashion on any timeline. Please subscribe. In a town where...
Wow, look at that. That is so great. So once you are done, it's time to download. To download it, just go ahead and tap on download option here, and you'll get this straight to your computer or to your phone. And as you can see, it will begin to download straight away. However, if you're not okay or comfortable with your creation, you can still go ahead and tap on recreate here, and then this will go ahead and give you a new structure or give you a new style of this video. Now, if you want to use it on a large scale, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and upgrade your plan. So if we go to pricing here, you can see we have quite a number of plans. We have a basic plan that begins at $19. We have a pro version, and we also have an enterprise version. And this is a creation plan. We also have a channel plan. And for the channel plan with as little as $15, you are good to go. So if you want to try out, you can grab my link below and get a 30% off when you sign up with my link. So go grab it and sign up because this is a limited offer. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.